What is poppin', everybody? We about to go get some fucking Chick-fil-A because I'm hungry. Alright, man, so today we're gonna be talking about buying a manual transmission car without knowing how to drive manual. My dad probably taught me how to drive manual maybe one other time, and it didn't go well. He tried to teach me in his 4x4 that he actually built himself and painted it himself. I'll put a picture in right now so you can check it out. Obviously, older cars are a little more difficult, you know, because there's no computer to really help you, which is the way to learn, obviously, the rawest way to learn. I would get first gear every like 2 out of 10 times. All the quits really quick. I just got super frustrated. You know, back then didn't see myself really driving one anyways. The Jetta before, I just knew I wanted a GTI for maybe like 2 years. Worked my ass off, saved up, found a good deal on one. Another reason why I chose manual, because obviously I wanted redemption for the last time. I just couldn't get the hang of it. And what other way to do that is get a daily driver that's manual, you know? Force yourself into it. Make yourself uncomfortable. It's always good to put yourself in uncomfortable positions so then you can teach yourself how to get out of them. When other opportunities come up, you're not scared to take them, you know? For those who are watching, if you guys got something you want to do, something you want to buy, just do it. Just go for it. Because with this, I get a lot of comments too saying you guys want to tune your GTIs, but you can't afford it. Hey man, I'm right there with you, trust me. I took a leap of faith, and you know, we're killing it right now. We're figuring it out. This car is so fun. I enjoy driving it every day. Yeah, traffic sucks, but just let it, you know? What is good, y'all? We got this, we got the Stone Essentials with some stickers, because you know when they get free stickers, take like 10 of them. So I get back to the crib and get our mind right, you know? Also, I don't think I've mentioned very often that this is my first manual car. So I'm just now getting like really used to driving manual. I feel like I picked it up pretty quick just because I did have to fucking drive it to work the next day. So it was mandatory. Like when I first bought the car, my brother had to drive it home. We bought it like an hour and a half away from where I actually live. So there's no way I was learning to drive all the way back on the freeway like that. Oh shit, one thing too, as soon as we got on the freeway leaving, my brother went to go put it in second gear. Plastic OEM shift knob broke off. It just popped out, and I was tripping out, and I was like, no way, bro, no way he broke it right now. I was low-key mad at it for a second, and then he popped it right back in. I thought that was funny because it just popped out, and all of us were like, what the fuck? Like, and then as soon as we got back, he taught me real quick around some stop signs, which is a huge pointer. If you're learning to drive stick, learn it around a residential area with stop signs. Because as soon as you get the stop and go, every other gear is easy. Like once you get first, like once you get the get off on first, then work on your second gear. And once you get first to second, every gear after that is so much easier. So that's what I recommend. Start practicing around stop signs. But if you practice around some stop signs and you got to continuously go in and out of first gear, like learning your clutch engagement point, that's a better way to do it. You'll catch it. You'll be a lot more comfortable starting off like that. I feel like, at least for me. And then cleaning it up is just part of the process, part of the process. Because, dude, I swear sometimes my timing is horrible sometimes. And I'll get frustrated, bro, because I'll make some bad shifts and it'll like, you know, do that. a bitch. It's a little easier, but I like play with the throttle. I'll go whoa, 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 and just have it roll. But I don't take my foot off the clutch. This is where I get my E85 from. This is the closest spot to my house. Which these fuckers are getting expensive, bro. This used to be the cheap spot. Now they're more than the spot down there. Which is, I mean, E85 still like $1 or $2 less, so I can't really complain too much. I keep going off tangent, bro. You just take more. I sound like an idiot. I sound like a fucking idiot. I gotta turn around, bro. I have no gas. In first, and then get that first gear in again. I sound like a dumbass.